Hey guys, Dave from Gibbys Electronic Supermarket here. Just wanted to introduce myself. I run the custom installation department at Gibbys Electronic Supermarket. I wanted to take a moment to explain some of the installations that we do through Gibbys Electronic Supermarket. We can start with a standard delivery from a TV that's been sold off the floor to doing multiple TVs with video matrices tied into a Control4 system so that you can do everything from your phone if you wanted to. We also do alarm systems, again, standalone or part of a system, as well as big audio systems. This can start with just a Sonos speaker sitting on a table somewhere in your kitchen, or it can go all the way to multiple zones of audio throughout the house, and again, being able to control it all from your phone. We also do commercial installation, and that entails distributed audio, full networking systems throughout the building, and so much more. We can also go into your house and put a plan together. So if you are designing and building a home, we can sit down first in our office and we can go over those drawings and put a solution together for you before the home is even built. So as the home gets built, we can be in at the proper stages. So I've mentioned Control4 a couple of times, and that is because this is one of our big product lines that tie everything together. So this can be tied in together from your front door lock to your alarm system, to your lighting, to your thermostat, to your TVs, to your audio. Everything that is in your home that can be connected to the internet pretty much can be connected to Control4. So imagine walking into your house and before you even do that, you type in your code on your digital door lock and it has already disarmed your alarm system for you. It has turned on lights for a pathway into your kitchen, and it's turned on your favorite music in the kitchen. Those are some of the levels that you can get into with Control4. It will pretty much control everything. If it doesn't, we talk with them and make sure that it can control it before we get into the project. It's a really, really neat system that covers everything, and you add in motion sensors, so this way you're not even touching your light switches anymore. You can just walk through your home and the lights turn on where you need them to turn on. Let us know if that's something that you're interested in and that we would sit down and put a design together with you. So with Gibbys, we sell a variety of products. I'm sure that you've seen these on some of the other videos that Charles has done. And we can tie all of those products that he talks about into your home, whether that's a simple TV sitting on a stand again, any brand of TV, any brand of audio components, we can install it, we can run the wires for it, we can show you how to operate it when it's all done, which is very important. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps it up. I have gone through all the products, I've gone through a basic knowledge of what it is that we do in the custom installation department. Any of your upcoming projects, whether it's big or small, please get in contact with me and we can sit down and we can go through the plans to put them together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell at the bottom of the page. And until next time, we'll talk to you later.